In this video, we are going to talk about is it too late to open a Shopify store in 2022? So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. E-commerce is all about convenience, innovation, and developing relationships. Today, anybody can build an e-commerce store, but only a few are worldwide. If online shoppers find your store convenient, they will want to interact with you. But how? The solution is hidden in e-commerce's future tendencies. A good online shop requires constant innovation. The hazy image of refurbishment will become apparent if you observe and use internet purchasing trends. If you want to know how e-commerce will evolve in 2021, you've come to the correct spot. The report is divided into 3 parts: buyer behavior, payment patterns, and the future of e-commerce. One thing is constant throughout the diegesis: Shopify. A stunning e-commerce platform for all vendors. Shopify is the ultimate online shop platform for drop shippers and self-manufacturers alike. Seminars regarding internet buying trends and their contribution to the same are baffling among unusual platforms. Looming trends in buyer behavior. Internet users are adolescents, crazy, and they are young, enthusiastic about shopping, and open to purchasing from anywhere, anytime. Understanding how to sell to today's demanding online buyers is as vital as knowing what to offer. Changing your store's UX, UI to make shopping easier and more enjoyable demands a thorough understanding of your customers' habits. All previous and current trends strive to improve the online purchasing experience. Buying habit is quite variable. The pandemic's impact on worldwide shoppers: 57% of US customers changed their shopping habits. In the UK, it was 68%. Buyer behavior is ambiguous, yet it dictates e-commerce's future. Let's analyze the many buying trends that are transforming online shopping. Tomorrow is the epoch of e-commerce personalization. Online shoppers expect a tailored experience. Personalizing on-site or marketing experiences affects income. A 25% increase. E-commerce personalization is only feasible when you regularly gain relevant insights from your consumers' data, or potential customers. Websites gathering data are well known. Buyers want something in return for sharing their data. A tailored purchasing experience should be worth the cost of collecting data from potential clients. As a brand, you need to collect and use more data to create more relevant and tailored experiences for customers. Here's how some large firms use data and new tech to retool online purchasing. More mobile shopping, videos and voice search. The internet is awash with statistics indicating an annual increase in mobile users. With the internet and cell phones, online buyers can purchase additional burgers while eating one. What is mobile commerce and how does it work? 80% of Americans, 250 million, own a smartphone. In the last 6 months, 79% of smartphone users bought anything online. Most buyers use their smartphones in store to read product reviews, compare pricing, and discover alternate locations. Moreover, half of the world's population, 7.8 billion people, hold a smartphone. Without a mobile-friendly website, you are losing out on the most. So you've heard content is king. It still is, but its environment has altered. Videos are a terrific method to engage the internet community. That doesn't imply you should neglect conventional material. Written material benefits bots and charitable readers, whereas videos benefit all viewers. Shoot a brief yet attractive video showcasing your items and your store. Smartphones ushered in new online purchasing habits. There are shopping assistants like Cortana, Alexa, Google, and Siri. Say what you want, and these voice assistants will present you with the finest possibilities. Voice searches have climbed 35x and 10x since 2008. Voice search inquiries are transforming brand interactions. Work on your store's load time, mobile friendliness, technical SEO-like schema markups, and structured data to become voice-ready. Cortana, Alexa, Google, and Siri gadgets help customers make smart selections. It's all about how you portray your store online and how customers find you. Forces that shape the future of e-commerce: subscription, sustainable, social and shipping. Subscription-based selling happens when and where it was needed. Subscription-based e-commerce fueled by the surge of online food shops. Platforms better define the subscription model. During the epidemic, small and medium food stores went online. Now you can access your favorite TV shows and your weekly dairy requirements. Consumers plan their purchases and look for them online. Subscription-based became a need during the epidemic, and it will undoubtedly grow. This concept is still in its infancy, but it may influence e-commerce's future. Like everything else, sustainable buying is reshaping the future of the internet business. Internet customers are inquisitive about the product's materials, packaging, and shipping. Some shops support going green by offering eco-friendly products. The Shop is a carbon-neutral shipping assistance software. Users may track and display carbon offset history to assess Shop's total influence on the environment. Shop services saved 10,000 tons of CO2, comparable to traveling from NYC to LA 8,900 times in April 2020. The next S is the most intriguing: social commerce. You may also sell on Facebook and Instagram. Selling via social media networks violates the search engine monopoly. TikTok, Twitter, BuzzFeed, and Pinterest are all investing big on social commerce. A multi-carrier approach ensures that your goods flow smoothly across several transportation platforms. Drop shipping shops show how to get more with less. During the epidemic, some online retailers lost their logistical partners. Local delivery has allowed local shops to go online. Voice for local and buy local have become a new trend in internet shopping. Curbside pickup allows you to buy online and pick up at a nearby location. New Zealanders, Americans, Canadians, and Indians prefer to pick up their orders locally. This online shopping trend will help you choose your shipping partners. Then there's no contact delivery, where consumers may pick up their packages without encountering anyone. Drone delivery is also becoming popularity, with robots using artificial intelligence to deliver a parchment. Shipping today implies more than just delivering a customer's goods. Shipping is more about how swiftly was it done, how much was it delivered on time and to your liking. With the initial push to an internal system, a larger transformation occurs. From local delivery to innovative ways of finding a brand, the future of online shopping is bright. Brazil, Canada, Spain, Russia, India, and South Africa are unexplored internet marketplaces. This is a classic example of a Western selling to a Western. Internet trading between these nations is the future. How do people pay for online orders? There are so many options, from contactless to 0% EMIs. During the epidemic, Shopify saw a 122% surge in retailers accepting contactless payments. If you don't know your customer's payment preferences, you're unlikely to gain their confidence and attention. BNPL helped U.S. consumers spend $900 million over the 2020 holiday season. Online payments will be defined by contactless payments, BNPL, digital wallets, QR scans, IoT, and crypto. Your online store's conversion rate may have increased due to how easily customers pay. People may reserve next week's partywear on social media, virtually experience photo frames in a room, and buy it now and pay later. It's vital that your shop accepts payments in many ways. Customers, like in the UK, frequently use plastic money, but now prefer BNPL. Cash on delivery is still popular in India, whereas simple EMI/SM mobile wallets are popular in the US. Your payment choices may also need to change depending on the country. Future of online stores, Shopify's way. It's Shopify's approach of helping businesses sell things online and increase their presence using cutting-edge technology. That technology is known to everybody, but not freely accessible. If you offer home and decor items, you may sell lamps online so customers can virtually try them out and pay in installments, then return to your store because you accept all forms of payment. Shopify is making this tale a reality. A $29 monthly rental gets you future-proof internet business. How to make your Shopify store future-ready? Shopify's free augmented reality application, Size Link, allows users to see a product's size in real time using their smartphone camera. It allows you to create size links for your items that can be seen in AR on mobile browsers. To generate 3D models of your items, upload images to the platform's 3D modeling marketplace. Multi-channel shipping from local delivery to click and collect, the shipping game has altered dramatically. Shopify celebrates zero-emission delivery to promote sustainable commerce. It's back to basics. Shopify's new theme is a fantastic SEO-friendly theme with a touch of simplicity. The software also allows vendors to customize the theme. Turn your Facebook and Instagram sites become social media stores. We need social media stores. Having a page is too old-fashioned. Sell your items both locally and globally to increase brand visibility. The future of internet selling is to connect online vendors and buyers. Create a QR code for your offline store with Shopify's Signage Maker. The QR code allows customers to continue purchasing on your website. No other e-commerce platform is as hyperactive as Shopify. Which beliefs in serving up all future trends to online businesses? And it's only $29 per month. Are you planning to open a Shopify store? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you.